Hey, Randy here with the Minelab Xterra 705. I'm just about to conduct a little test. Here's the detector. There's the coil. And this coil here is the 10-inch, and it's a double D, 18.75 kilohertz. And this is what they call the gold coil. And the reason we're using this is my coil, and it's very sensitive to gold pieces. It picks them up a lot more easier than other coils would. Plus it goes fairly deep. So what I'm going to do is a little test here. We're going to sample a bunch of gold pieces here that you see I've got laid out. And we're going to do it in two different modes on the detector. So we're going to start off here. I'm in jewelry coin mode. And I've got it set ramped up to 30, which is the highest on the scale for power wise, amp wise. And what we're going to do is just wave some bigger pieces of gold over the coil. You're going to hear the signal, see it. I don't have no headphones hooked up, of course. And we're going to start off with, okay, well, let's start off with a 14K ring here. Now this ring is fairly thick, and you're going to hear, there we are. And you can see I'm 6 inches, 8 inches. And you can see the number, it comes up loud and clear. So there's the gold ring. Next we're going to go to, I have a gold brooch. So we'll do that. And that's a bigger piece again, loud and clear, and that's 6 inches for sure. And we'll move on. Here I got a 14K locket. It's a smaller piece. But again, it's ringing through, no problem. Then what we're going to do is I've got a chain here, a gold chain, and gold chains are probably the hardest to pick up. So we're going to wave this across the coil. Let's see what kind of noise it makes here. And if I was to stretch it out, so it would be easily picked up by the detector if you were swinging it. I've got a smaller gold chain here, a thinner one. We'll try that one. It's got a pendant on the end. And that's coming through. Now we'll move on to something smaller. Here's a small diamond stud. Diamond earring, gold backing on it. We'll wave that, and of course it's going to be, you have to wave it a lot closer. So at 2 inches, you're definitely going to pick it up, probably 3 inches. And we're going to go into another smaller piece here. This is just a clasp that broke off a chain, gold clasp. And again, we'll wave that over the coil. So if you were looking for that on the grass or on the ground somewhere, you're definitely going to find that with this coil and this metal detector. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we did that test, and you can see in coin, jewelry, beach mode, it picks up these fine pieces of gold. I'm going to switch it over now to the prospecting mode, which is way more sensitive, and we're going to see how it tests there. Okay, so right now we're in the prospecting mode. Of course, I'll take the ring first, and it's going to make a different tone. So there's 10 inches there, easy. So I'll take the brooch. Definitely hear it at 10 inches, and with the headphones on, it's going to be a lot louder. We're going to take this gold chain. And again, if I was to stretch the chain out, take the smaller gold chain. Then we're going to move on to the diamond stud earring. 2-3 inches for sure. And then the little gold clasp. Now you wouldn't miss that if you were digging for nuggets, unless it was out of reach, obviously. So again, Minelab Xterra 705. The coil is the 10-inch double D elliptical, 18.75 megahertz. Good combination for looking for small gold pieces, such as this locket. And that's in prospecting mode. And that's a simple test. This machine will definitely find gold if that's what you're looking for. Hope this video was useful to you.